Have you ever wanted to save a website so you can open it later without an internet connection? Maybe you're traveling, studying, or want to save an important tutorial, article, or documentation. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download any website for offline use, completely free, and in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. The easiest way to save an entire website is by using a tool called httrack. It's a free website copier that lets you download a full site images, pages, links, and all the content directly to your computer. Once downloaded, you can browse the site just like you normally would, even with no internet at all. First, go to your browser and search for httrack website copier. Download the version for your operating system Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The file is small and installs quickly. Once you open the app, you'll see a simple setup window. Click Next, and then give your project a name, something like Offline Tutorial or Saved Website. After that, you'll be asked for the website URL. Copy the link of the site you want to save and paste it into the box. Now click Next, and then Finish. httrack will start scanning the website and downloading every page, image, and file it can access. Depending on the size of the website, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes. When the download is done, open the project folder. Inside, look for the file named index.html. Double-click it, and the entire website will load in your browser, fully offline. You can click links, open pages, read articles, and browse like normal. This is perfect for studying, saving tutorials, doing research, or preparing offline backups of useful websites. And that's it! You now know how to download any website and browse it anytime, anywhere, no connection needed. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching! If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.